And I experienced this because such a girl is living in my house, and she has to deal with the social assistance rights. So yeah, it's difficult to motivate people to study social work, to study nursing also. We have a lack of nurses, yeah, because yeah, times are changing. Yeah?
Yeah, I can understand from where the question is coming because Delhi School of Social Work is also into placing students abroad. I mean, we have placements in some of the countries in Europe,
Yeah,
Canada. Yeah.
yes, yes, we have nurses from India, especially social workers. I do not think so.
I don't think Belgium we have done, but then we have, I think UK we have done, which is
Yes.
not part of
No.
European Union
Yeah,
right
yeah,
now.
yeah, yeah.
And Canada, Australia, I think we have done earlier. So our students are there in these places. So I think Eras must be wanting to know what's happening in Belgium. So with this, I think we can go on and on. But thank you so much. Thanks to both the speakers for doing this comparative analysis and giving not analysis actually giving the comparative insight of social security and social protection system in European Union and India, of course.
Evolving.
So thank you so much. There is a great takeaway from both the from both the speakers. One which I am going to see the rights report which you mentioned,
Yeah.
and our role in registration is something which where I feel that the students, those who are going to the field,
Yeah.
they can be of great help. That is there, and you also talked about mental health and financial health needs to be secured. That is one thing which, because we see, I'll give you a simple example of when we order a pizza, in a particular moment, time, duration, the person will have to deliver that pizza, otherwise it is a free. So the students and the children and people, those who order, they feel that it should be free pizza. I can understand that, but imagine the kind of risk this person is taking in delivery.
Yeah.
Because the road risk is there, and there is the person is driving, and otherwise he will have to lose out from his own income. I mean, that kind of situation. And I find poverty both at both ends. The one who can afford but still thinking that it should be free, and on the other hand, the person who is not able to deliver has to cut out his or her salary out of that. So that kind of mindset is
highly exploitative, at the end of the day.
highly exploitative.
Highly
Highly
exploitative.
exploitative mindset kind of thing is existing, and that's a social reality. Is one which we have to understand. And then, of course, Professor Bhatt, you talked about equal pay. You talked about European pillars of social rights. I think that is something you gave us in a nutshell, that insight, which I think we can read and further develop knowledge on that. And of course, I think one thing which I really liked in your presentation, liked in European Union entire charter, was adequate gender balance among directors of listed companies. Women in higher position is will say that we are doing gender equal balance, but for the directorship, mostly, and that point I really appreciate. I appreciate that it is being recognized and it is coming under equal opportunity of all citizens, fair working conditions and social protection. So thank you for this insight, and I request Maya is working with Jan Pahal, and there is one house a request from Delhi School of Social Work to Jan Pahal is that we have started placement interviews. So if you have vacancies, you can come and you can select our students. They are brilliant. Though they have not shown their faces, they are empty seats, but then they are brilliant. They understand social work, and they've got, So Jan Pahal, I know it's a big organization, a promising organization on the grassroots, so I request that. And second, housekeeping is